Good day, I'm Jane Anzalon, BSIT 3B BPO. Today I will discuss the steps of cleaning or pre-processing the data. The first thing we do in cleaning data using Microsoft Excel is we fill up the empty data using the Excel function. It is to make sure that there is no missing data. The next step, based on the given additional instructions, is we capitalize the first letter to make sure that the data encode is similar, and to make sure that all data that we encode is the same format and it is not messy to look. Step 3. For this step, it is based on the following additional instructions on data pre-processing. First is we combine the symptoms 1 up to symptoms 4 into one column named symptoms using the concatenate function on Excel. Step 4. For this step is the same procedures on step 3. We combine the column of the prescribed medicines 1, 2, 3 into one column named prescribed medicines. And then after that, we combine the treatment and control 1 and 2 into one column named treatment and control. Step 5. Based on the given additional instructions on data pre-processing about combining the columns into one columns is make sure that the data is encoded similar and make sure that there are no duplicate or duplicate entry. So in order to avoid the duplicate entry, we use the Visual Basic or VBA code in Excel in order to avoid time-consuming in removing the duplicates in a large amount of data. As you can see, the picture, there are a lot of duplicate entry in the output of symptoms. So we input the formula remove dupes 2 F2 to remove the duplicate words, and after that we use the copy paste special. Step 6. For this step is remove all the redundant data. And the final output in our clean data is we remove the unidentified that we input in step 1 as a filler into the missing values in order to handle it. Since according to the instructions that we are going to combine all the symptoms from 1 to 4, so we remove it in order to show all the symptoms. The data loaded in the RapidMiner Studio using 2014 cases cleaned data. Load the cleaned pre-processed data. The picture below shows the cleaned data loaded in the RapidMiner Studio of the year 2014 cases. Output in data statistics. The picture below shows the data of the loaded 2014 cases cleaned data, and it shows that there are 3,393 examples of count, 6, six regular attributes, which are the type of illness, symptoms, prescribed medicines, date of checkup and treatment and control, and there is one special attribute, which is the doctor's illness categories. Statistics. The picture below is the statistics The picture below is the statistics of the 2014 cases clean data loaded, and it shows the statistics of the data. It presents the name, type, the missing values, and the statistics of the latest most values. Graph visualization in scatter chart style. The picture shows the chart of the 2014 cases using scatter chart style, and it presents the type of illness, doctor illness diagnosis, and the categories of illness. And it shows that the categories of illness and the communicable disease are the sore eye, common colds, flu, asthma, tuberculosis, anemia, and diabetes. While on the non-communicable are the UTI, hypertension, puncture, wound, gout, lesion, diarrhea, and more. The model design using the decision tree with the interpretations of the results of the modeling. Build a model using the decision tree. In this picture below shows using the decision tree on the 2014 cases. Decision tree. The picture below is the decision tree on 2014 cases, and it shows the communicable disease type of illness, and the categories of illness are the acute upper respiratory infection, cause of common colds, conjunctives, cause of sore eye, influenza, cause of flu, and the tuberculosis. While on the non-communicable diseases type of illness is the hypertension. Convert non-numerical data, alphanumeric, into a numerical data binary equivalent. The steps involved in converting the non-numerical data to numerical data with an explanation on how it was being converted. In converting the non-numerical data into numerical data, we just simply did it in Excel. We just simply used the Visual Basic and Insert module and input the codes that can convert the text to binary. And as you can see on the first picture below, the output is too many binaries because it converts every single letter into binary. So in order to apply or assign an 8 digits binary, we just simply use the Excel function, which is the left function. And it helps us to shorten the binary that we assign. The result and also the final output is shown in second picture below. And this is the final output of the converted data case 2014. This is the codes for converting text to binary using Visual Basic in Excel.